Hey there! Welcome back! Today you are gonna be reviewing TED's Woodworking Program. This is considered as world's largest database of woodworking projects. Before reviewing, we are providing 70% discount on this product. We request, if you buy, then please buy this product using this link. This will be greatly appreciated. So, what is TED's Woodworking? TED's Woodworking is the revolutionary program that will help you to create or complete any wooden project by following simple techniques and woodworking plans, even you are a complete newbie. The creator have spent 40 years to study it, experience, and practical knowledge of 40 years to make this program most unique. This program covers 16,000 plus woodworking plans, with many types of projects like furniture design, small craft, kids craft, etc. Here you will find A to Z instructions to complete your project. Like, materials, 2D plan, 3D plan, video tutorials and much more. Basically everything you need. This program is an online bestseller for almost 7 to 10 years, more than 5 lakhs men have enrolled this program. There are hundreds of positive reviews of TED's Woodworking on internet. And also this program is backed by 60-day money-back guarantee. Please use the link to buy this product. Thank you.